We're done. At this, we're done. No, we're done.
We go to Beaumont, Texas for a probation violation hearing. 43-year-old Anthony Mendoza has been convicted of driving while intoxicated. 6 years earlier, Mendoza pled guilty to his third DWI and was sentenced to 6 years probation with several conditions, including that he wear an ankle tether to monitor alcohol use, install an ignition interlock device on his vehicle, complete a 12-step program, and work towards earning his GED. But Mendoza violated his probation, not only by testing positive for alcohol and cocaine, but also by picking up an assault charge. He was arrested and today appears before Judge Raquel West to hear if his probation will be revoked. Mendoza is represented by attorney Alan Parker.
Mr. Parker, you may proceed.
Well, a couple things I want to address. He's ordered to have to scram and interlock. It's costing him $600 a month. He can't afford to pay for the things he needs to do, such as the 12-step program, the GED program, all those things require money. He has no other felonies, Judge. He wants to complete his probation, and I think you'd also like to address the court, Judge.
So here's the thing. This is the third time, it looks like to me, that you would have been given an opportunity to remain on probation. And then we have aggressive behavior, ongoing alcohol use. Mr. Nichols?
The judge checks in with the prosecutor, Luke Nichols, who appears off camera.
Judge, I think it's pretty clear. He was put on zero tolerance a couple of years ago, and here we are on the second time.
Third.
Multiple times.
Yeah.
And I don't know what else we could do. So obviously I agree with the probation department's recommendation for revocation.
Mr. Mendoza, you have been given so many opportunities on this probation. I mean, seriously, 3 times haven't revoked you, and here we are with all of...
In Beaumont, Texas, a probation hearing takes a serious turn. 43-year-old Anthony Mendoza stands before the judge once again. Years earlier, he was given probation after a DWI conviction, along with strict conditions: wear an ankle monitor, install an ignition lock, attend a 12-step program, and work toward his GED. But Mendoza violated all of it, testing positive for alcohol and cocaine, and even picking up an assault charge. His attorney argues that the required programs cost too much. Nearly $600 a month, and Mendoza simply couldn't afford it. But the judge isn't convinced. You've been given chance after chance, and you keep wasting them. She makes it clear, the tools were there. The responsibility was his. When Mendoza interrupts, the judge's tone hardens. Turn around. Face the court. You're getting your sentence. Moments later, the decision is final. Probation revoked. 6 years in prison. Sometimes life gives multiple chances. But ignoring them comes at a cost.
To revoke your probation, and at this time revoke your probation. Sentence you to 6 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections.
The judge sentenced Mendoza to 6 years in prison with credit for 292 days time served.